Hello, friends. Welcome. We are still on our series on circle theorems. Previously, we've discussed the parts of a circle, and this is our lesson 2. And we are looking at the first theorem. Theorem number 1. It states that the angle an arc subtends at the center of a circle is twice the angle it subtends at the circumference. In other words, the angle an arc of a circle will make at the center is 2 times the angle it makes at the circumference. All right? Some will say angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. We are still talking about the same thing. So we are going to illustrate this theorem using 3 different diagrams so that you are grounded in this particular theorem. We start with the first diagram. Notice the diagram very well. This is a point, this is a point. If I move from A to B, that is an arc. Recall our last class, we talked about the arc. So this is an arc. And this arc AB makes, this is the center of the circle, O. All right, good. So this arc AB makes an angle at the center, which is angle what? X. The same arc AB makes an angle at the circumference, which is angle what? Y. That same arc. So you must be careful to notice these things very well. I repeat again. We have an arc AB, which makes an angle X to the center. The same arc moves to the circumference and makes another angle Y. So this theorem is telling us that this angle, the arc AB makes at the center, which is X, must be equal to 2 times the one it makes at the circumference, Y. So this is basically the theorem. Angle at the center by an arc must be twice. Twice means to multiply by 2. Must be twice the angle at the circumference by the same arc. Of course, we can use the lettering of the diagram to describe it. X is the same as AOB. So we can say AOB. We cap O to show that the angle is on O. Is equal to twice 2. Angle Y is ACB. It's 2 times ACB. We cap C to show the angle is at where? At C. So this is theorem number 1. Angle at the center is 2 times angle at the what? Circumference. Of course, after this, I will bring out questions and then we'll solve. Then we'll look at the second diagram, the same theorem. So notice what we have. Notice what we have. We have from P to Q. Movement from P to Q gives you an arc. Now, the arc PQ makes an angle at the center, angle what? A. You can see it from P to Q. The arc moves to the center, forms an angle there, A. The same arc moves to the circumference, forms another angle, B. Basically, because it is the same arc, we will say that the angle it forms at the center, which is A, must be equal to 2 times the one it forms at the circumference, which is 2B. So angle A must be twice angle B. We can also use the lettering here. Angle A is POQ. So I have POQ must be equal to 2. Angle B is PRQ. 2PRQ. This is the theorem. Angle at the center is 2 times angle at the circumference using diagram 2. Then finally, the same thing, diagram 3. I'm giving different illustrations so that you are conversant with each of them. So look at diagram 3. We have XY. From X, not here, major arc. From X to Y is still an arc, a major arc. A major arc. Remember we talked about major and minor arc. So from X to Y is a major arc, which is still an arc. And they move to the center and makes an angle there, angle P. Not inside, outside, because it's a major arc. So it makes an angle P at the center. The same arc moves to the circumference and makes angle what? Q. That same arc. So angle at the center, which is P, must be 2 times angle at the circumference, Q. So we can also use the lettering. P is XOY. XOY, which is angle at the center, is equal to 2. Q is XZY. XZY. 2 times this. So that's what we have. That's theorem number one. Anytime we have angle at the center, it's twice angle at the circumference, provided the angle at the center and the circumference was made by the same arc. Of course, this can be proven, but I'm not interested in the proof. If you want the proof, you can message me, then I will make a video to show you that they are equal. In our subsequent class, we will solve exercise based on this theorem. Please kindly like, follow, and share my video to your friends and students. Also invite them to follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.